The iSCAN NX is a diagnostic powerhouse, combining more than 30 years of diagnostic and module programming pedigree into a sleek yet rugged wireless tablet design. It handles the daily tasks every shop depends on: fault code reading, live data analysis, pre and post scans. But where the NX really stands apart is with the advanced functions that other scan tools often struggle with: adaptations, initializations, calibrations, module coding, and module programming. But capabilities only tell part of the story. The reality is that most shops can't justify maintaining every OE subscription or keeping technicians trained on every factory platform. OE systems can be expensive, inefficient, and many times they simply go unused. iSCAN NX bridges that gap by combining fast, all-makes diagnostics with advanced coding and programming, backed by SOD, support on demand. SOD connects your shop with the best diagnostic and programming experts in the aftermarket, exactly when you need them. No guessing who you're getting, no inconsistent pricing, just experienced professionals with the knowledge to help solve difficult problems. What makes SOD different is that it's built around OE-specific workflows and communication protocols rather than a one-size-fits-all approach. That means faster programming, fewer communication interruptions, and better performance, even when internet conditions aren't ideal. If you're tired of hearing, "Sorry, we can't do that," or struggling with inconsistent remote support, it may be time to rethink what's connected to your scan tool. iSCAN NX gives your shop the tools, the capabilities, and the support network to keep more work in-house and tackle today's complex vehicles with confidence.